Tickle, 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 tickle. Oh, what do you have to say? You're welcome. Oh, are those teeth bothering you? Oh. Oh, yeah, but do yes. Sophie's taking care of her hermit crab, Joey. Yeah, boo. After she takes care of him, I'll show you what he looks like.
Mommy? Where do I put the food?
In that, you throw it away and then put it in new food in the shell.